खोबऱ्याचा अनारसा या कोपरे का अनारसा. It's a typical cookie-like thing, a typical Diwali sweet which is made in Maharashtra. Generally it is made out of rice and jaggery dough which is fermented, and country like New Zealand or Western countries, most of the places they don't allow import because of that culture. It's a live culture in that. So we have different option which is real good, like gives almost similar texture, taste wise is nice, and that is nothing but khobryacha anarsa. What we need for that is finely grated coconut, jaggery which is either finely cut or grated. Here I have jaggery powder, little bit of clarified butter or ghee, ripened banana, some pieces, corn flour and rice as a binder, and poppy seeds when we pat and make cookie like thing out of it. Generally the proportion is like this. If we take coconut 2 portions, then 1.5 will be our jaggery powder, even brown sugar is fine. Half of the portion will be clarified butter or ghee, and couple of teaspoons is corn flour, and maybe half the portion of our rice flour. Let us start making it. We'll roast this finely grated coconut golden brown in color. It gives real nice aroma to it. So pan is sufficiently hot and I can see change of color in this grated coconut. Here I have taken roughly around small katori of this grated coconut, obviously. Then in same proportion I will be using this jaggery powder and whatever explained before. So it's getting nice and golden brown in color. We don't want to make it too deep in color, because again it is getting cooked in or baked in oven. We don't want to make it black later on. So let's stop here and let us keep it aside. We'll mix this ghee, little bit of rice flour and corn flour as a binder, not too much for sure. We'll mix this in such a way that this flat portion of spoon is rubbing this bowl, so it's crushing this clarified butter as well. This mixture is ready. We'll be adding this ripe banana here and crush it. And just take this out for a while. The reason is this pan is still a bit hot. I don't want to put this in warm condition into this, so in the meantime just adding this jaggery powder and we can start kneading it. This beating is enough. Even if you use electric beater, that's fine, but just in the beginning. Yeah, now it's cool. So I'll be adding this and we'll knead it properly. So this is now mixed thoroughly, and if we feel like see, because of this heat of hand and because of this friction, some heat is generated, so it's a bit oily, so we can just keep in the fridge for say 10 minutes. Now we can see this dough is nice and firm. I kept it just for 15-20 minutes in the fridge, that's enough. And what we'll do is make small laddu like balls out of this, and we have to make cookies. So let's start with on this baking sheet I put these white poppy seeds. So In the meantime, our oven is sufficient hot. It's on 180 degrees centigrade, and on tray we'll just place it one by one and start baking it. After patting, these 4 anarasas is ready. What we need to do is, like, spread this baking sheet over a tray and place these anarasas one by one like this. Take out the rest of the poppy seeds. Now we want to bake it like any cookie, so we won't place it like too much close to the heating element, so it will be just a little bit above the middle. That's it. Roughly around 8 to 10 minutes is more than enough. If we bake it for longer period of time, the coconut will get over roasted or it will get burnt, and it has like that charcoaly kind of taste. We don't want that. It should be just enough roasted. More than 8 minutes are gone, and you can see there is change in color. They have become darker. Typical caramelization of jaggery, you can smell it, and these anarasas, they are done. At this stage they are a bit soft, so we are not supposed to lift it immediately. Let it cool it off properly, maybe another even 30-40 minutes as well, and then lift it off, otherwise they will break. So this anarasa, or Indian Diwali cookie we can call it, is like nice and firm. It's a bit hard in outer texture. Another taste is we have to break it. It shouldn't be too hard or too crispy like cookies. So just try it. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, perfect. It is so perfect. Texture wise, taste wise, so nice. You will not believe it is made out of coconut. Try it, it's worth it.